everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and it is finally here. Look, you can see I'm moving things out, getting ready for the new stuff for this open house we're gonna have. It's the first annual open house, going to end the season with a big bang with lots of discounts and some free stuff too, and some hot dogs. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. That's gonna be September the 19th. From 9 to 2. We hope to see everybody there. And on to this baby. It's finally here. If we look over here, this was the Hessville. Go back to my videos, take a look. That was the largest single wide in the Prime series. And it's good. It's a great floor plan, especially if you're looking for something front loaded. But everybody was screaming for a split level floor plan. And I'm just going to tell you, maybe I'm not supposed to, but this baby's going to be in the 70s, right? 3-bedroom, 2-bath, the largest single wide, one of the largest single wides that we make, and at a great price. Standard 2x6 exterior wall with a standard 200 amp electrical service, and that's a big deal. Those are a couple of things that you're going to have to usually pay for in the Aspire Home series, but in the Prime, it comes with it, baby. So here we go, walking in. We're going to see a split level floor plan, split on the bedroom. So we've got bedrooms 2 and 3 down that way, and the primary down that hall. We've also added another very cool feature we'll see in just a second. But walking into the living room, nice and wide open to the kitchen. Here's another bonus feature of this Prime home. The island is included. And before we get to the nitty gritty of the kitchen, I'd like to give a shout out to Shiloh from New York. She just called me. She says she's got the best pizza in the whole country. I don't know what you guys think about that, but relocating to Tennessee, and we're excited to get her a new champion home. So don't be shy. Pick up the phone, send me a text, send me an email. Let's talk about how we can make it happen for you. Okay, now in this Prime home, we're gonna see natural on the floor, chai oak on the cabinets, and marble on the countertop. I've never shown a Prime home with marble on the countertop yet. And then look at the cabinets in this baby. These things are huge. So much storage in there. You're also going to get in this kitchen a pantry. Lots of storage there as well. Standard with the homes is going to always have a stove and refrigerator, hot water heater, furnace. You can add the microwave over the range, and you can also add a dishwasher to this home. Mini blinds are an option as well, but here's where it gets good. In the other 76 floor plan, we do not have a pantry, but here we have a walk-in pantry. We've got the water heater back here and the electrical panel box over there. So the pantry is kind of serving double duty as storage for those utilities, and also to give yourself a little more room for your food. All right, coming in the back door, we're going to come into the laundry area. There's the furnace. Washer and dryer are going to be side by side. And the thing about the Prime homes is they have really large bedrooms. So here's the primary bedroom with, I got the squeakiest shoes, I swear to God. Miss squeaks a lot right here. Going into the primary bath, we do have the closet in the primary bath. That's a great feature. And then check out this cabinet as well. Very large cabinet. I don't have this home set up yet, but come to the open house. We're hoping to see it all dolled up and spruced up. We've got the Mobile Home Mama, hey, in the mirror, and a walk-in shower. That's gonna be standard in the home as well. So lots of great standard features. We've got an upgraded ice shield in this home, and the cabinet knobs, too many things to talk about here, but give me a call. I'll be happy to send you a standards list. That's no problem. All right, heading back to the secondary bedrooms. We're gonna come right up here on bedroom number 2. You hear them? Squeak, 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 squeak. There's the closet. I'm feeling good today, you know. It's Tuesday, and the sun is bright, and I'm happy about that. Here's bath number 2. I only have a few months here until I've got to put my parka on, so Bedroom number 3. I am living it up while it's here, huh? And here's the closet for bedroom number 3. All right, folks, this is the new Prime. I would say it's a prototype. This is actually the prototype home that was built, but we've already decided that we're definitely going to keep this one around. We call this home the Oswald. We would love for you to come see it. Give me a call, send me a text, make an appointment, stay in a hotel, check out the factory, and purchase a brand new champion home. As always, thanks for watching. One other last thing, like and subscribe.